You could be forgiven for wondering what the hell is going on with this M104 project of mine. Not much is going on, but let me tell you, that's about to change. Today I finally took delivery of some second oversized pistons for the 3.2 litre M104. That's right, the 3.2. That's what I'm converting my M104 to. Not because of wanting more power, but because of simple economics. See, pistons for M104s don't exactly grow on trees, and for the 3 litre, in my country of Australia, they are a ridiculous $3,100 for a set of 6. And these set of 6 3.2 second oversized pistons I got for about half that imported from the UK. To go with this new setup, I do have an M104 990 crankshaft, but unfortunately that's currently sitting on the other side of the country at my mother's house, but I am going to be visiting her soon, and I will stuff that in my suitcase and bring it back to Perth. And then, the excitement of putting this engine together will commence. I did have some more good news today, and that the cylinder head is actually ready to pick up, and I'm going to pick that up first thing tomorrow morning, so you can expect to see a bit of a video on that too. I will be using the 3.2 litre head gasket. I do have a complete kit for the 980 for everything else, but the firing ring is slightly smaller as you'd expect on the 980, and to be safe I will use the correct 3.2 head gasket, because I believe the pistons may end up protruding ever so slightly from the deck surface as they're intended to, and you really don't want that hitting your firing ring because you're going to have premature failure. As you can see, these kits come complete with everything ready to install, as far as the piston is concerned anyway. I'm going to get my machine shop to do the assembly of the lower end because I don't have the skills or the knowledge to do that correctly, and I want to make sure it's done right the first time. None of this stuff is cheap, and I really can't be bothered destroying it and paying for it a second time.